I believe say Dr. Richard Anani ebekwa akoye ne case anase eso ye ne case immediately na omochi Abronye na obekire baby a no omedu boni and some of the allegations yes he has raised against him
prescription
because on say nipa no ne practicing mu no ebi kura wa he obi ama na wupen ebi a wa ye na ana wonte de meche na ama ebi ana ebi kura eye wo na nipa ne bewu based on ebi an condition but the wakan no you are raising a lot of suspicions on previous occurrences will be an adwene and say hey near me nipa ya o ye yes yes papa no ma edu bone dia na che say bia free say you on say eh no ma be brain na eba o and Dr. Anani shouldn't take this lightly your profession your integrity and Abronye person odi twitwi fam this particular case no say wo koye na prosifo so ma ye nyina beta wachi so that we will know the truth of the matter
because an indictment
on integrity
so when to me and take action yeah papa Dr. Richard Anani so when to me and take action na
no kre yeah
nti yam so be campaign say mo obi anko hospital ho
yeah and obi aso a wakwa bia bibia nhye da anko yie wo ho bia enye te se wona na ebeba ye Dr. Anani na enya na adwuma yie that is what Abronye want to say and Nana is getting too much. It's getting out of hand. Abronye started sad wenyene. Now I blame the MPP supporters ya. Womu call police station wobra womu chi Abronye. Yeti Abronye di IGP atem. Se enano krosa ko kai se ne mpaboa se de tunkun sa wo se de ben de ben. E di IGP atem. And very men kan say security couple o man mu. Timi di na atem. O ka se okoso Abronye mu pe ne yashase eye political hwan na ye dia be politics Ghana ye di bibia ye politics ama Abronye mfia wedi pani ete se wo memfa toto nsoso hwempempensu a waduru ena wo so ye lawyer he doesn't speak like intellectual me who so ye lawyer any lawyer for Ghana Bar Association no wo mo ekeka because okukumu ni ade lawyer for uhu o ma uhu. You see how they are composed. You see, said the omokasa mpositi. Lawyer for nkasa by heart. No, ono ayeda timi nya lawyer course no kura kwa ye timi beka so ye lawyer. Ogumu animu ase. Abronye is getting too much. And me person wa me de say waka kire Baumia say he is the leader. Say Abronye so support Baumia. Baumia nyina ne nan so no wonka say Abronye efiri na ekro ebia onkasa mami biem. Se oye na ade a ono ana eye minim no on support me ne hu se Abronye suni ne ban no ono ana eye na ade ofisi ni bibia na ofisi but once we know say Abronye any some other people omo support Baumia no omo kasa it means omo kasa na ma na ena omo mamo mfa omo ha mesami o ena me de mamo mfa mesami o omo mfa mesan ho wo ye no ebe fa ho because penina otena fie ma mofrare nanka ne ebu nanka refo a wono na captain band ye de bono it is Abronye your supporter dia na de wo ye nyina no is to your benefit enti na won ka ho hwe no he must act no be chevilam temu time no MPP ya gurade nyankopon MPP pa ba bia bedrini na che say traditions ni nyina wo matoagu MPP that we knew say a party a dealing with intellectuality enimdie yes openim defo a omo kasa eye with analysis eye nsemu a ye kan nimdie wo mu no ene de akoye MPP of chese menka ne say bola su meeting bola su nkomodie asemu o kan ye time enana mejidi se sabre ya no even if Dr. Anani enkoye case ya the Ghana Police Service should be interested in this because this is a matter of life and osi e mama food nu bone and the Ministry of Health and we are interested in this. Investigations must go on. Abronye should assist investigations. Now woman said the Ebeko. Now MPP Ebeka Chomo say they are not ready for power because of the fact that Niako Sueno yemfa ni power. Campaign no kra say that tape will be played back. NDC will play that tape to you. And when him say, I never call me Philly as you don't get a very fantastic man. You remember? Now,
Mamimbian lines in Ninkomo, you are Feni and Triche and Komoka on the issue of Galamsey. Right now,